Welcome to 1682 Horseshoe Drive, Unit A. This first floor, 2-bedroom, 2 full bath apartment home. It's located in the Densville area of Northeast Columbia, convenient to I-20 and I-77, Fort Jackson, Northeast amenities, and a quick commute to downtown Columbia. So we're right inside the unit, right in the foyer. You can see you have some laminate tile flooring as you enter, and there is a coat closet here on the right side as you come into the front door as well. This is a ground floor unit, so you come in right off of the ground level, and there's a common area parking out front. You have a living room here off the entry. You can see a nice size, has exposed wood beam ceilings. You have a mini ceiling fan, window out towards the front of the unit, and also the nice fireplace, wall with built-ins on the right and left side as well. You can see your bedrooms on the left side, and the kitchen is here over to the right. Eat-in dining area with luxury vinyl plank flooring, which is an upgrade in here. You have white appliances and cabinets. There is an included refrigerator, electric stove, as well as dishwasher. And you also have a full-size washer and dryer area in here as well, with a shelf above. There's also on the back end of the kitchen a pantry, which is a nice size. You also have some door shelving storage as well that goes all the way down. And you also have access to the outside, which is only, I believe, on the two downstairs units in the building. So you have a small covered area back here, and that just lets out to common area space behind the units. And then back inside, we'll take you over to the other side where the 2 bedrooms are. So your master is to the right. You see you pass 1 bathroom, and then you have a master, which is a nice big room. Can fit a king size bed in here if you like. Walk-in closet on the right side. This bedroom does face the back of the property, so you can see a nice size walk-in with hanging and shelf space on the right and left. The luxury vinyl plank flooring is in the bathroom here, I believe in the hall. Well, not in the hallway, but in the master bathroom as well. But you do have a single vanity and a shower and tub in here. And then on down the hall, your second bedroom, the single vanity. You have a solid surface countertop on that one, and also a shower and tub, and a nice window out towards the side. Linen closet here in the hallway also. And then last but not least, on the front of the unit, you have your second bedroom, the nice size window and closet on the opposite wall. And that completes our tour of this home at 1682 Horseshoe Drive, Unit A. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.